Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Today, we're going to talk about a fantastic way to grow your own food at home: green onions. These versatile veggies are not only fast and easy to grow, but they're also packed with health benefits. Growing green onions is a great way to have fresh, organic produce at your fingertips. All you need is a pot, some soil, and a few green onion bulbs. Plant them in a sunny spot, water them regularly, and in just a few weeks, you'll have a bounty of green onions to use in your favorite recipes. But that's not all. Green onions are a powerhouse of nutrients, containing vitamins A, C, and K, as well as essential minerals like calcium, potassium, and iron. They're also a great source of dietary fiber. So, what are you waiting for? Get started on your green onion garden today. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy growing!